Do you want to learn about a plant that not only adds a touch of green to your space but also bring good fortune? In today's video, we are diving into the captivating world of the bushy money plants. A plant that's not only aesthetically pleasing but is believed to bring positive energy and prosperity. So let's get started. Benefits of the bushy money plant. Plant enthusiasts. Let's talk about why the bushy money plant, also known as a Pilea peperomides, deserves a special spot in your home. Here's what makes it stand out. Unique round leaves that add a touch of natural elegance to any room. The bushy money plant's leaves are like little green coins that instantly boost the beauty of your space. It's like having your very own slice of nature's art right inside your home. Now, for all you beginner gardeners out there, listen up. Taking care of the bushy money plant is a breeze. This plant is like your supportive friend who understands if you forget to water it once in a while. It's forgiving and low maintenance, which means even if you are just starting out on your plant journey, this one got your back. But wait, there's more. The bushy money plant is not just about looks. It's natural air purifier working its magic to create a healthier living environment for you and your loved one. It helps filter out those little nasties floating around in the air, giving you a breath of fresh, clean air to enjoy. Feng Shui and prosperity. Alright, now let's talk about something really fascinating. Feng Shui. It's like a way of the arranging things to bring good vibes into your space. You see, Feng Shui believes that where you put things can actually affect the energy around you. They call it Qi. But there is the cool part. Plants can play a big role in this energy game. And that's where your bushy money plant steps in. Those leaves, they are round and kinda look like queens. And you know what queens stand for? Yeah, wealth and abundance. No wonder people love having this plant around, especially if they are looking for good luck with their finances. Now here's little tip. If you want that extra dose of positive financial energy, find the wealth corner of your home. Most of the time, this corner hangs out in the southeast part, but your bushy money plant there and it's like you are rolling out a green carpet for your prosperity to scroll right in. So, if you are ready to bring in the good money vibes, that's the perfect spot to give your plant a new home. Remember, it's not just about the looks, it's about the energy too. And that's what Feng Shui and our bushy money plant are all about. Caring for your bushy money plant. Taking care of your bushy money plant is easy and rewarding. Here's what you need to know. Emphasize indirect light. For your plant to grow its best, find a spot with bright indirect sunlight. This means a place where it gets light but not the harsh sunbeams. Too much direct sunlight can hurt the leaves, so keep it softer, diffused light. Watering tips. When you are thinking about watering, check the top inch of soil. If it feels dry to the touch, then it's time to water. But here's the thing, don't go overboard. Your bushy money plant actually likes its soil to be a bit dry, so water it moderately and make sure the spot has good drainage to avoid soggy roots. Mention occasional rotation. Imagine giving your plant a little turn every now and then, like turning a plate. This helps all sides of your plant get a fair share of the light. Just rotate it gently every few weeks. This way, every leaf gets its time in the spotlight and your plant stays nice and balanced. That's it simple right. Remember your bushy money plant is tough and adaptable and with these care tips it shall be happy and thriving part of your space. Propagation and growth. Here's some exciting things. You can easily make more bushy money plants and share their positive energy with your friends and family. Describe propagation process. All you need to do is take a healthy stem from your plant. Make sure it has a few leaves on it. Put this stem in a glass of water and let it sit. Soon you shall see tiny roots starting to grow. Transfer to well-draining soil. Once the roots are a bit longer, carefully move the stem into a spot with the soil that drains well. This helps the new plant grow strong. Highlight growths. As time goes on, you shall see small baby plants growing near the base of the main plant. These are like its children. When you see these little plants, you know your bushy money plant is happy and doing well. Conclusion. Wrapping things up, we have uncovered the wonderful world of the bushy money plant. This incredible plant is not just about adding beauty to your home, it's like having a lucky charm that bring it good fortune. Those lush round leaves, they are like little tokens of prosperity right in your living space. Now we are eager to hear from you. Have you already made room for the bushy money plant in your home or are you considering it? Any questions buzzing in your mind? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. Remember your experiences and inquiries could inspire others to explore this amazing plant too. And hi, before you go, how about little thumbs up for green life? Don't forget to hit that like button and if you want to keep delving into the world of plants, hitting the subscribe button is the way to go. We are here to sprinkle a bit more plant related joy into your life. Thanks a bunch for spending time with us today. Happy planting!